So let me showcase what I made. So I made this journal. I kept it simple, not simple in a way it's a simple journal, but it's simple in a way that I haven't added a lot of different pages. I simply used what I just showed you. And do you know what's left over, guys? Just this. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday to you all. Today I'm sharing a very special video because I am extremely excited to share the news that I have recently joined Tracie Fox Creative Design team. So I was really pleased when I received the email from Tracie confirming my my good news, or joining the team. The girls, the rest of the team, the girls have been extremely welcoming, and it's a really nice family. I'm extremely happy and proud to be part of. I will link all the team members of Tracie Design team here on the info box. So if you open the box to see all the list of the very talented members, very creative ladies with all different styles that showcase videos, is really worth for you guys. Go and check them out. Before I showcase what I made today, which is this lovely journal, I'm gonna share the kit first. So this kit, I love it. When I first looked at it on Etsy, I was like, oh my god, I need to have it. Okay, so let me show you page by page. So this kit is a very complete kit because you get a lot of background pages. They are A4, and then you get some tags and accessories, but I'm going to show you one by one, and I'm going to put it in here. So I'm not going to comment page by page because I don't want this video to be extremely long, but you got this very distinctive style from Tracie when she used all these different colors excuse me, color combinations and stuff. So you get a lot of A4s, and then I love the tape measure. I think is brilliant. Some bingo cards. It's called Dusty Pink because you got all the pink and brown, olive green, very vintagey. And then you got the botanical elements with the handwriting as well. So you got all these gorgeous background images. Love that. This is one of my favorite page. You got the old lace in there. Some postcards. And then you get some coffee stained paper with a lot of textures in it. And I'm hoping the camera will pick it up, but it looks like 3D. So lots of details in that. So you get a few of those. Then you've got a page with the 2 pages. So when you fold it, you just simply trim it off. But you can just simply print this front and back multiple times, and that's your background pages sorted. Then you get a few tags as well. So yeah, so the kit is called Dusty Floral Ephemera as well. So that's that. Beautiful tags. I love this. Is my favorite ever because you've got layers of 2 tags with the bingo card and the flowers. It's slightly smaller tags, a medium size plain, so you can decorate it as you wish. You also get a page with some postcards, so you've got 2 of those. Love that. Then you get, as I called them, the embellishment. So you get all these little ephemeras. You got some stamps, some sentiment with a little vintagey messages in there, so you can just cut them as you need. And then the last page is some pockets and tags. So you got your corner triangle pockets and your square pockets. Okay, so really it's very useful because it's a sort of kit that you just got everything in there. So let me showcase what I made. So I made this journal. I kept it simple, not simple in a way it's a simple journal, but it's simple in a way that I haven't added a lot of different pages. I simply used what I just showed you. And do you know what's left over, guys? Just this. I literally used one copy of everything that I just showed you, and that's what's left. So again, it's a sort of kit that you need. You can use it all because that's what you need. Okay, so I made this a lovely boohoo tassel. I made several videos showcasing how to make these tassels. Anything that I already made, I will put the link down below so you guys can click in the video and go back as a reference. I'm not going to do several, multiples videos on the same topic, because otherwise I'm going to bore you. But I thought that these colors will look nice with these element. So hence why I picked this burgundy, purple, olive green. I put some vintage fabric there. So that's that, and I'll show you how it's attached. And then you've got a belly band, which you can open it from that, but I use a paper punch with like this topper, and I create a little hole. But as I said, you can either slide it off like that, or you can just undo it, and that's the back of the belly band. I used all these elements from the kit, just literally glue them up, and I distress with some black ink. So, and that's your belly band. So that's the front cover, which I think is one of my favorite page of the kit. So the tassels is like that. Okay, so it opens and the tassel is attached. There is a little hole that you can see because I put this on top. So you've got your first square pocket there, and I made some tags, and I used my trim. Again, I kept the same color, purple and green. Gorgeous front and back. Then on here I have made my hidden paper clips. Again, I've done several videos how to make this hidden paper clips. I will put everything listed down below so you guys can go and check it out. But it's simply a paper kit. I use using some of my scraps, and then I use this postcard with the stamps from the kit. I just literally cut it off and glued it, and that's the back, and that's the gorgeous page. And then the back, there is another postcard which is stuck there with the paper clip. And then look at that, look at this page, absolutely gorgeous. So what I did, I put the two postcards like that, use my hidden paper clips and stick them up together so it will stay like this. Then this on here, I just put the triangle pocket, and again I made some more postcards and the little tags front and back. And then on here I have made a secret pocket with vellum, and I put the tape measure on the bottom on there, and I put some lace in there so you could probably see that better. And then you see the vellum in there, so when you don't have anything, it looks like just some lace with the little tape measure in there. That's the tags. I'm not put anything in there, I just left it plain because there's quite a lot going on in there. So then this gorgeous page that I didn't want to do anything in it because there's a lot of detail that I don't want to cover it. So you got the writing there, the lace. Then on this pocket, on this side here, I put the square pocket with another tag front and back. And again, I matched it because you got the bingo card in there with the tag in there. And on here, there is another side paper clip. So it's on the corner there. So again, on this page, I just put some lace, just simply glued it up. And then on the back, you got that. And then you got the two postcards in there. So this hidden paper clip is on this side. So the paper clip is here. The one I showed you before, the paper clip was on the top. So it's a side panel. So when you put your ephemera in there, it just sticks. It says, sorry, because I don't want to put my arms on camera. Oops. You know how clumsy I am anyway. So there, that's it. On here, there is a gorgeous page, and I just simply put my XXX paper clips, XXXX large, and here I just use one of the embellishments to create this little folk stamp, and just some of my beads and stuff. And then the next page, again, kept it quite simple because there's a lot of detail in there. It's just one of the tags. On here, another triangle corner tag, and I put another postcard. And then this page, I just put some lace in there, and I left it, I just add the tickets just to give an extra dimension. On here there is another paper clip, so I have used one of the vintage text that you find in there, flowers everywhere and vintage flowers, front and back. And again, I have a postcard here and another one on the back. So what you simply do, guys, so you just put your paper clip in there and you simply stack it together. And then this is the backing page. Oh no, sorry, there's two more. So this one in there, just left it very, very plain because I like the detail, I didn't want to cover it. And that's the backing. Okay, that is it, guys. Oh, 10 minutes, I made it, 10 minutes. I'm really proud. Okay, guys, I hope you like this journal, and I hope you're going to go and check this this little kit out. I will put the link in the info box that will take straight to Tracie's website where you can purchase this kit. And don't forget, guys, just check out the rest of the creative design team and show them love and support. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if it's the first time that you're watching. Stay safe, guys, and I will see you very soon.